बोलो बोलो वेबसाइट। हाँ बोल बोल इन इंग्लिश बोलो बोलो एक सेकंड रुको पहले वो आभार प्रकट करना।
आज बहुत अच्छे साथ में स्पीच दी है और जो है कांग्रेस का पंजा ही लहराएगा और हम जोरदार तरीके से सब लोग मिलजुल के काम करेंगे। गाऊ गौरव गान कबीरा गाऊ गौरव गान देहावरती झेलती गोडी रक्त संगे खेळली होडी हासते हासते भूमीवरती देवाने आपला प्राण त्या सुरा
I think in today's 21st century, the website is very important because at times when you work hard and the work is not noticed, and at times I think one of the main drawbacks is when you work so hard in your constituency or anywhere else and the news doesn't reach the common man, the news doesn't reach the man in the slums, at times the news doesn't reach your voter or the people in your constituency who are unaware of the work that is being done. So I think this is a very good platform, your own website. It is the best way to reach to your common man, to your voter, to the people who inhabits the person who inhabits your constituency. So he knows that where exactly are the funds of the taxpayers going whenever the elected representatives, whether they are the municipal corporators or the MLAs or the member of parliaments, there has to be a certain transparency. There has to be absolute transparency between the taxpayer and the elected representative. So the man knows कि जो वो tax दे रहा है, where is it being utilized, where does it go. So in our website we have the details of every rupee, every fund, every road made, every garden done, every pie is accounted for in our website, and then we have a separate complaint section where you can come and put in your complaints, and those complaints will be immediately looked into, and we'll be active on Facebook and we'll be active on Twitter. And I congratulate Mr. Baldev Khosa ji for this new website that has been launched, and I hope many people approach it and log on to it, and it helps solve our problems and our area's problems. Our site number is http www.baldevkhosa.com. I repeat, http www.
What message you want to give for the youngster right now for coming election?
The younger generation, it is high time that we should step forward, because don't forget that you all are the future of this country. You are the future of this country, and everything depends upon you all. Politicians, bureaucrats are as human as you all. Even we were youngsters, and it's time that you step forward. It's nice to be patriotic. It's nice to be aware of what's happening in our country, and I'm glad that today's youngster in colleges, in universities, and everywhere that the youngsters I meet are very aware of what is happening around us. I'm very glad to know that, and I would request them to take your voting rights very seriously. I would request them to go and get their voter ID cards made and take very active part in the ongoing election process. And as a Congress member, as a member of the Indian National Congress, I would request people to go log on to the ideology of our party and find out about the ideology of our party, and feel free and welcome to join the Indian National Youth Congress. Thank you.
इसमें join us का है एक कॉलम है.
मैं सभी भाइयों और बहनों को सबसे पहले आज के दिन की मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, और मैं सबसे पहले तो ये कहना चाहता हूँ उसको वोट देने के लिए ज़रूर आना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बढ़िया अच्छा प्रोसेस है, इसमें हिस्सा लेना चाहिए। और जो आदमी इसमें हिस्सा नहीं लेता वो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ खो देता है, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है किसको वोट देना है, किसको नहीं देना। जैसे मैं तो कांग्रेस का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूँ, मैं 20 साल से यहाँ इस एरिया में, वर्सोवा एरिया में, अम्बोली एरिया में MLA हूँ, और मेरे काम जो कुछ किए हैं वो आपके सामने हैं। हम यही चाहते हैं कि ये इलेक्शन ईयर है, आप भटको मत, जो आपको सही लगता है, जो आपको ठीक लगता है जो आपको लगता है आपके इलाके के लिए अच्छा इंसान है, जो आपको लगता है अपने इलाके में एक बढ़िया काम करता है। जैसे हमारे एमपी गुरुदास कामत जी ने बहुत खूबसूरत काम किए। उन्होंने हज़ारों करोड़ों के प्रोजेक्ट दिल्ली से बॉम्बे के लिए लाए। बहुत जैसे आज मेट्रो है, मोनो रेल है, ये सब वही उन्होंने किया है। और जो रेलों की सर्विस ज़्यादा बढ़ रही है वो भी गुरुदास कामत साहब ने किया है। और हम लोग हमेशा अपने एरिया में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं। मैं यही अपील करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से कि यू मस्ट वोट एंड वोट whom you think is the best. Thank you.
थैंक यू। सबके जाके देखो। नहीं, नहीं,